That person who is continuously, without any regard, without any break, without any thinking, he doesn't become, who continuously doesn't become a habitual sinner through the night, drugs and zina, etc. This salah, this type of person, salah is not accepted. Who develop habitual, actually he become a habitual sinner. One is, okay, some people might have gone astray due to the influence of the nafs or shaitan, they might actually lose. But don't make anything your habit, especially addictions and other actually, because you become habitual. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that you are in love with drugs, what you are, how you should be having loyalty and addicted to the love of Allah, and this person is addicted to some other things actually. So what type of relationship he is going to have? So a person should not spend night actually in habitual sin, otherwise actually in this danger of prayer being rejected.